With you a journal that I've made, and this one is a fabric and lace covered journal, and it measures 8¼ no it doesn't, it measures 8 by 5¼ there is 80 pages front and back, and you can see I've popped on some fabric tabs. There's some crocheted trim on some of the pages as well. This crocheted lace is used as a belly band, and then there's this lace trim. Well, it's not a trim, it's actually a fabric, and then underneath that there is actually a fabric, and then there is 2 layers of cardstock. The back again is like a belly band, so you can pop stuff in there if you wanted to. This will be listed in my shop if anyone's interested. So I've made an Edith Holden pockets with the tag, and some layering here with some music paper, some background paper, and then these are from my porch prints. So I layered that on the top of there, and that's the back. So that just pops in there. There is eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure, so let's go inside. And I've used I can't even remember what papers I've used in this. Let me have a look. Oh right, okay. I can't remember who they're from actually, so I do apologise about that. The cardstock has been coffee stained and stenciled, same on the back, and I've used various ephemeras, and I've used some of Artie Maze's new ephemera from her ephemera kit, so go over and check that out. All the links will be below anyway. So on this front page here we've just got some nice designs and some crocheted trim. Then I've made a pocket using some Artie Maze background paper, trying to use up what I've got. I think I mentioned that in a video last week, rather than keep printing loads of stuff off, but I did have to print off the Artie Maze her new ephemera kit that I used some of that in here. So we've got this from the old design shop, and that just pops in there. And we have this from Dreams Etc. That's from her collage collection as well. Then we have a stamped tag. It's coffee dyed or stained. Some ephemera here, I can't remember where that's from. This is from Artie Maze as well, and it's just been backed onto some white cardstock, so it's nice and thick. And then here we've just got some crocheted trim. Gotta hope I'm in frame. Some crocheted trim, a double layer here, and it says all good things are wild and free. It's got 2 little butterflies. And we have a doily in a paper bag. This is some of Artie Maze's ephemera. It's just been coffee dyed. So I know some of this is from our own personal collection as well, so that was really nice of her to share that with us. Here I've just made a collage tag, and that's just paper clipped on there. Again, this is from my porch prints. Here is the fabric. That's the same crocheted trim here. There was just a little bit left over, so I made 2 tabs with that. Some more digital print. I can't remember who that's from. A Rita Donnelly flip up with a doily, and I believe Artie Maze actually sent me these, the like fabric organza butterflies. So there's 2 layers there, and then some pearl beads, and it's stuck down. We have some ephemera, some stenciling in the background as well. We have, this is from Dreams Etc. And we have a tag. We have another tag from Artie Maze, and this is just a little fold up, and that's from Tsunami Rose. Another doily, some of this kind of ledger paper. Here, this is ephemera from Artie Maze, and it's really nice. This one is about income tax, house duty and land tax. And then this, and that's just paper clipped on. We have another one of these Edith Holden pockets. Got loads of these pages, so I really need to start using them up. Again, some layering here, some collage, and some butterflies. This was actually a tag, and I just chopped the top off, and then we got a tag inside there with the stenciling. And I need to prop that up a little bit because it's sticking out the bottom. Some more crocheted trim, some more digital paper. Here we have, this is actually a bit of a page from Tsunami Rosie's Charming Fragments. This is from Artie Mays. That is a lovely ephemera kit, so if you're looking for ephemera, Artie Mays tag, some more dreams, etc. And some more ephemera here from Artie Mays. And we have a Tiffany & Co tag and a little postcard. So they've all been backed. Not everything's been backed, sorry, but these two items were. I think the you know, the vintage kind of ephemera is quite nice when you don't back it, because realistically when you do get some of that stuff, it is quite thin. It's not thick card or anything like that, because I don't think they had that back in the day. So we've got some more ephemera here from Artie Mays. This is from the old design shop. Oh, this is actually made a little paper clip. Just got some crocheted trim, bit of lacy fabric in the background, and some bling, and that goes on that way. So that goes on there. And then we have this. There's another one of these. Again, that's from the old design shop. Some lined paper. Papers are either coffee or tea dyed. There's probably a mixture of both. This again is from the old design shop, and it's one of these piano roll things. Hadn't seen that before, so I nabbed that one. Another altered paper clip, and another one of these. They're like, it's like a check. It's a French one, I believe. Or is it? No, it ain't. No, it ain't. Some more ephemera from Artie Mays. Just haven't. No, they're talking about pounds and shillings here, so that's how old that is. Really old. Pounds and shillings. Paper bag and a doily. This is again from Tsunami Rose, and I just kind of fussy cut the top half off and left the little the book, the flower in that there. I thought that looked quite nice. We have some ephemera. I always use this ephemera because I like it. Some more ephemera here from Dreams, etc. A Tiffany & Co stamped tag, and this is from Artie Mays as well. Could have made that into a little book, but I didn't. And a little Tiffany & Co tag, and that just pops in there. Another one of these lacy tabs. Another one of the Edith Holden pockets. Again, some layering, and that was a tag, chopped the top off, and then a large tag inside. So that's just on there. You could glue that down if you wanted to and make it a permanent fixture in the book. That's actually some of my ephemera that's in my shop, and which is a digital, and this is from Artie Mays. So I'm just really having a look at the the areas that they come from. Some fluff in there. Another one of these pockets that I've probably glued down. There we go. Rita Donnelly flip. We have some ephemera. There is some more ephemera from Dreams, etc. A tag. Another tag from Artie Mays. And this is from Tsunami Rose. It doesn't want to open, or my fingers don't want to work. So that's just folded in half. And I put that in there. Again with the butterfly, they're really pretty. I think she got them from the works. I have to have a look to see if I can get them, because I love butterflies. Another crocheted tab. Another tag here. Some more ephemera from Artie Mays. And the other side of the paper bag, a doily. Here I just done a corner tuck, and then just made a cluster embellishment there. And this is from the old design shop, and that just goes in there. Well, we know where it goes because I've just taken it out of there. I know I hear myself sometimes and I think, shut up. Shut up, will you? Another tag from Marty Mays. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Some more ephemera from not Tsunami Rose, from Dreams Etc. A little postcard, and then this tag that I just chucked, and that just goes in there like that, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I said, whoops, this will be listed in my shop. Everyone else will be listed below as well, and if you have any questions then just ask and I will get around to answering it if you do ask me a question. Hope you're all having a good day, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.